Clean good man. Nagkasya kami. Sophia. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the back. No, 6. There's 6 of us in the back. Kasha. Gonna ride the train. Oh, pwede nga mag-adhira. Train. SM Cebu. Sammy, are you riding the train? Hi. Gonna ride the train. Buying a dryer. I don't know which one. Oh. They have a lot of nice appliances. Got a dryer. Finally. Yeah, we got a dryer finally. Yeah. Oh, they're gonna find us? Oh, look at this one.
Well, they're filling out some kind of invoice.
Wow. Oh, pink. Oh, I don't even know how to open it. This side? Ah, right there. Look at that. Even this one is pretty good. Although it doesn't have a freezer. It's just a chiller, right? Wow, this one is 49,000. I can't open it from that side, so maybe it's this side. Yeah. Ooh. Cool. Nice. Look at the prices here. Look at all the prices. This one, 129,000, 100,000. Nice. I like this one. Yeah. Bili lang kami dito sa what's this? Sumoji.
came through in the last.
And broke all the... Yeah. Oh, did ate the juice, the juice. Ah, did oh, sige. Apple juice, gani. Oh, they have organic. They had organic apple juice last time. Yeah, grocery tayo. We have Nutella bread, pocky sticks. May pocky sticks din sila. Guys, dito na kami. Na kami sa bahay. Naggala kami today, lahat kami. Sinama ko sila lahat. Sinama namin sila lahat. Kumain kami sa Jerry's for dinner. Ramen sana. Pero sarado yung pinuntahan namin ramen. Tapos nalaman namin na yung may-ari pala nung vice president ng ramen place ay yung may-ari nung nilalentahan namin. So ayan, i-haul ko na lang madalian yung mga pinamili namin sa supermarket namin. So first, bumili tayo ng Doritos. Kaso mali yung nabili ni Nick. Product of China siya, hindi siya product of US. So, ano yun. And then, Snail White. Ayan, para sa akin. It has SPF 30. Then, got Tam-Tam. Tam-Tam. And then, dalawang Italian style spaghetti sauce. Got disposable cups. And then this one for Frank and then Samantha and Sophia are running out of toothpaste, so we're gonna try this Colgate one right here. I ordered some from iHerb, so sana dumating na sila. Then my brother got Head and Shoulder shampoo, Skin White lotion for them. Ayan. And then, bumili tayo ng lotion, shampoo and conditioner for Sophia. Esculene. Then, always Band-Aid. So, this one, assorted plastic strips. Paborito ko siya nung nandito ko sa Pilipinas last time. Dewberry. We got 4 Yakult. And then we got Ragu. This one, watermelon, this size cost 252 pesos. And then they got trash bags, big ones and small ones. Cold fever patch. Omega painkiller. We have older people here. We got this seaweed, roasted seaweed with olive oil. And we met some random people, a foreigner guy at the supermarket, and he said that his daughter loves that one. Then we got some pandesal, gardenia. Cheese bread is Sophia's favorite bread by Angelina. This is our favorite Hopia. It is by the brand Taiseng. Hopia ube. We got mango. Oh my gosh, this is 49 pesos for one mango. This one 49. And then we got some pears, 238. Got some apples. We got how many? 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces for 165 pesos. Not too bad, huh? A lot of apple juice. They love apple juice. I was looking for organic ones, but they didn't have. They didn't have organic apple juice. It was a chair. So we got 2 of the apple juices. Oh, cranberry. I wanna try this one. We got some C2. Oh, and then we got 2 of this. It's so cute because it's like a Christmas stocking trolley. This one became our favorite bread in the Philippines. It's like a Japanese style bread by the brand Sakura. Oh no, Angelina. Sorry, Angelina. A crispy fry. We got garlic, 2 of the garlic, tapos dalawa yung original. And dried mangoes. Of course, gotta get Oreo for Samantha. She loves Oreo. Doesn't eat any other biscuits here or cookies. Only Oreo. To get 2 more of our organic almond milk that we are using. Because I think I only have 2 left here, so I had to get 2 additional ones. We found some cones, ice cream cup cones. So we got this one right here, and then the honey waffle cones. I got 2 of the honey waffles. So if you're eating ice cream, we have cones. And we got some olives and And oh, look at this. They have a Christmas theme box for Sanicare. I got them. They got spreadable butter. Anchor is a brand, and then Eden cheese. And oh, and this one I thought it was kind of cool. I mean, I don't know, interesting. So we got it. It's donut stop believin'. Doughy donut delectables. I don't know. I was curious about it, so I got it. Might not be good. Ah, it was. Looks like this. Purple yan. Yan, nakabalot pa. Unang kabugos. Hindi, nakasulat like this. So they're like donuts, like real donuts. No, real donuts. Oh? Oh. Yeah, it's like real donuts and it's like ube. Purple yan. It's good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Wanna try it? Oh, lasang cupcake. Hindi ba ang cupcake na makapuno? Ganda ng lasa. Good, yeah? Whole plus mukbang. Oh, and then we got some grapes. This much costs 104 pesos, so $2. Less than $2 actually. Pretty good. Got carrots. This much 50 pesos, so less than $1, and this one is $1. 57.81. Marasa, no? Yep. I got iceberg lettuce. 177 pesos for this. Very small. And then we got some cherry tomatoes. This one, 90 pesos. Got some cucumber, 40 pesos for this one. Tomatoes, 171.50. Kamahal. You know this is mahal or expensive for the Filipino price. Then we got pongkan or oranges, 207 for 6 pieces. Mango, we got how much for this one? 228 pesos for 5 pieces. Oh, I got another cucumber, 32 pesos for this. And then banana, this one was 76 pesos. So we're stocked up again on fruits because we ran out of fruits. And Sophia or Samantha was asking for apple this morning, and we don't have any more apples. And finally, we found Quicksilver. So Nick found a pair of flip-flops from there. We got a size 12. This one style. Let me see how much was. Oh, here's the receipt. 1,190 pesos. 1,190 pesos. Come on. Quicksilver, huh? Come on. Okay, so we went to Ace Hardware to get some stuff. We got a washing machine drain hose. This one right here, 399 pesos. And then we also, our biggest purchase today is the dryer. We got a dryer, a Whirlpool dryer for 27,000 pesos. And then we got some command hooks for our mirror. And then citronella spray for the bedroom. Something. And then mosquito coil. The snake is being eaten alive by mosquitoes here. And then Clorox wipes. And then that's it.